Alright, now I've got the magnets. Those I'm going to use it to build another bit by binding motor. So, and then as you can see, you can hear that voice talking there. That one is one of my assistants. Sometimes he come down here. So even now I want to know what did I do with the magnets. I've just combined them. You can separate them and you see. Those are the magnets, bro. 3 big magnets for speaker and some other magnets here are there. And so now we're going to build a binding motor from those magnets. So now I don't know what's gonna happen there because I've tried all the motors, all of them. This ones you see it was a motor is working, but I don't know what I can do with it. I just destroy it and then I want to build another one that I can use. And as you see there, that one there is a motor as well. I want to build. I built it. I said I want to use it, but I don't know what I can use. Even here as well, we got the motor that is spinning the magnet, 4 magnet on down there. So that one we'll see it later. And then here, as you see, we managed to build this. It's an alternator. Yeah, this is an alternator that we're gonna finish about it soon. And then that one I showed you before last time, but sooner or later we'll finish it. So up there we got something that we call it a windmill. As you see now spinning, the one windmill is spinning always, and the big one is still standing. And those ones they are charging the battery. The battery that we are using is the power from now, from inside the house, as you see there. I'm just using it. As that, even that computer there, you see the inventor that I've built. It's using this computer now. It's working. It's on. It's gonna switch on and run. So it's where I'm gonna upload the movies the videos those you're gonna see now or you're watching right now. And another one is here, the binding motor. This one I will finish it tonight. It's the one that you will see charge. I use it to charge my battery. So anyway, as you see on my YouTube, you know my name, but you don't know my assistant name. Sooner or later, he will introduce himself to you. You will see him building his own thing. As you see, that one it will be my binding motor. I've just made some mistake on putting magnet, but this one already I've decided I will build a binding motor on the as it is. And then sooner or later, I'll change this one. I'll put my Nadium magnet on the on edge like that, and then so then I can put my coil there. Yeah. So now up to so far, that's all we got. And I don't know because there's a lot of people experiencing out there. Well, I would want to know how could I do some good on this machine because I would like to do something better, not something that can spoil me. Anyway, all those I'm getting now is working is good. The windmill is running, all of them now they are good. So you can see, which means as you see, those are stepper motor from the printers, old printers, those I had before on my cafe. So now I'm using them as my battery charger, and I'm gonna build another binding motor socket from another motor from the stepper, the big one. The first time I bind the motor here, I didn't know how to build the socket, but now I found a way to build the socket. This motor, I will use this motor to build my my DIN socket. So that one it will be good. I've already binded the power extended cables there to power it up, so I'm just gonna have to build a cricut socket for it. So sooner or later you will see those ones, and then sooner or later when I'm done with this, I'll start to build a fuel, a diesel fuel to supply, and I'll see how far I'm gonna go with it. And there's the engine room. All these motors are going in there, just preparing, and the time is tiny for me to come stand there and do all this stuff, but soon we'll finish it. because now we got some of them, they are running like those lights and the battery charger there. I can let you hear the sound of the battery charger. And then before I make it that, Timon, can you hold this camera for me? So let the people see me now. I don't mind about that. Let me go in. Don't point the phone on my computer there.
Avonale musculus fishigata.
Okay, right. They won't see. As long as they won't see my password, but you should be good. And then now I'm going to connect this battery terminals to my big battery there to charge it. There we go. Then let me see if everything is right outside. Yeah, seems alright. Now I'm gonna switch it on. And then you will see. You will see how much gold we got out of that machine. See everything. And one day I included one motor. That engine room you see up there. There was all my motors in there. They were giving me about 1,500 volt. And I didn't know how I'm gonna control that volt. Because as soon as I light the lamp, that's how it was going on. So now, let's see how the motor charge. It's charging the battery. Timan, you can come here so then I can show my friends how my machine works. So soon here you will see the spark. As you see, that spark is the spark coming from that motor.
It's a view.
And if you can touch it wrong, anyway, it can electrify you. If as you see me now,
It's a spark, so.
So as you see, that's a spark. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's a spark from the motor that I built. That motor, it managed to charge the battery. Ah, fuck it. Shit. Got me shit. Okay. Where's that laser? It's gone too far. Okay, I'll sort it out later. And then now, you can see, as you see that power, it shows you that it's feeding. Now let me connect my multimeter's battery. I'll show you a little bit about the volt that is coming out from that motor. And then after that, we're done. I'll show you later soon. Some more stuff. Now I'm just gonna show you that.
Make your computer easier to use.
Yeah, that's what
Windows will read and scan. On screen.
Yeah, no, my multimeter is a stupid multimeter. Anyway, I've got another one there. I can use it if different refuse. Oh, I'm still back. Let me use this old multimeter of mine. And then, what you hear there, it's a relay that I built to charge. So I don't want to use the relay now. The relay is not on my nose.
Try you just say like I'm going to fish.
I would. So, come closer to the light.
Ngiyakubona wena.
Oh, mango kafumba. Can't see the vampire. That man is already dead. So if you wanna see him, you're gonna have to come closer. So you see there, this is our multimeter. Oh, something is not alright there. Where is it? You see, can you hear that sound? Can you see the volt there? It's over 12 volt. You can see that thing there, that bar is gone down. Let me just remove my hand so then you can see clear.
Yeah.
There you see. Now I'm taking it off, it's going down. This means it's 12 volt full. And then we're going to 30. If 30 volt is full, Let's see if how many volt we get from 300. 300 is not that good, but 30 volt is good. What about AC? AC on 300 is not that good. Let's go to 150. 120. 120 is good. So which means you can light the bulb from that. Yeah, it's sick that nothing that don't matter about it. Which means you can light the bulb from the volt that's coming out from that machine. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That is 120 volt on the multimeter, this mega. So sooner or later we'll build something better. Thank you for watching. It's T-Man and T-Man on the show now. Let's see you all soon. That's the DB board what is showing you. Soon we will show you the DB board in the morning, during the day. Today it's at night. I'm coming from somewhere at work, so it was just a little tiny time for us to show you that, but we appreciated that because we had the time to show you what we do. And now, when I know the volt from the battery, now the battery is charging the other side, we are lighting the bulb, which our power now is good. It's not that bad.
Why is sound chill? It's
Cut
like
it out. No, you can't see me. Cut it out. It's good.
a lot of hormones out to camera.
They will see. I'm a dark one.